All right, so getting rid of fractions, how do we do it? We started the process yesterday, right? You're going to find your LCM, and we're talking about just for 4 and 3 because this 3 is a repeat. So if you multiply those together, or if you find the LCM, either way, you're going to get 12. So we are going to just go ahead and write down our steps. We're going to multiply each term by the LCM. Okay, you need to remember, do not multiply anything inside parentheses. That stays the same. And then for the sake of this lesson, the last thing we'll do, we're not solving it, but we are going to go ahead and distribute. Then stop. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to solve them in the next lesson. So we did step 1 yesterday. The second step today is we're actually getting rid of these fractions. So what does it look like? Well, the LCM is 12. Okay, I'm multiplying everything by 12. This is my first term. This is my second term. This whole thing is my third term. Since 1/4 is a fraction, I'm going to write 12 as a fraction and then multiply it by the 1/4. Don't forget the x. Plus, again, writing 12 as a fraction times 2/3 equals 12 as a fraction times 1/3, and then the parentheses stay the same. So let's multiply this out, okay? It'll be 12 times 1, which is 12, over 4, which is 3. Don't forget the x. So I'm dividing first. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 12 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 12 4. So I have a 4, and then the parentheses stay the same. Now I'm going to distribute just so I can get rid of my parentheses. So the equation without fractions is 3x plus 8 equals 4x minus 4. And that's where we stop for today. Okay, so we find our LCM. It was 12. We multiply it by each term. 1, 2, 3. Then we distribute to get rid of parentheses, and that's where we are stopping. We're going to try this out. We have 6 practice problems to make sure we get enough practice, and then you'll be ready for your exit ticket.